feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a closet organization video and basically transforming the closet that we have in the hallway. The first thing I did was clear off the shelves in order to fold everything on there just better, because we typically just shove things in there as you saw earlier, and the organizing part is really just not there. The thing that I like about this closet is that we can take the shelves off if we want to in order to create more space, and you're going to see that I end up doing that in order to fit the bins that I got from IKEA. I am literally obsessed with those bins because I also have them in my own closet, but I just love the look of them. They have like that boho look to them, and that's pretty much what I'm going for in this house. I'm going for more of a modern boho look, so with the browns and stuff, and I really just love the look of the bins overall. I think that bins and baskets are a must when it comes to organizing because it can really hide the mess really well, and that was my goal for this closet. I wanted to add baskets in order to hide the mess pretty much, because as you saw earlier you can see like the rugs from the bathroom, the literally everything. So I just wanted to make sure that everything was going inside a basket in order to avoid all that clutter. And also the house actually came with all these built-ins, and they're pretty much in every room. They can be a pain because I feel like our clothes doesn't fit as well, but in this closet it really works well because the left side of the closet I have blankets and pillows and covers, and on the right side of the closet I keep more of the bathroom stuff like extra toothbrushes and toothpaste and toilet paper. And since we don't have a closet inside the bathroom and the right side is closer to the bathroom, I just keep everything bathroom related on that side. I was also having trouble with how I wanted to organize the closet. I wasn't sure if I wanted to add white baskets and kind of like do brown, white, or if I wanted to do like all white or all browns. I didn't know if the brown baskets was too much, but towards the end I really ended up liking how it looked with all the bins going down and all of them being one same color. I also ended up getting these white baskets from Target, which are so cute, and inside them I just put the extra toothbrushes and stuff, and on the other side I ended up putting towels, and I did make sure that I rolled up the towels so they would fit in the baskets, because I know that if you just fold them regularly they're not gonna fit and it's just gonna look very bulky and stacked up. So I just made sure that I rolled up the towels. The baskets that I have in my hands right now, those I got from TJ Maxx when we first moved last year, and I still ended up using them. I just put them on the top shelf, and inside them I put shower related things like shampoos and conditioners. I always like having extras, so when I go to the store I'll literally pick up like 5 shampoos because I just don't like running out of things. So I'd rather just have extras all the time, and literally I will be set for like the next couple months. And the last thing I did was clean up because the floor was a mess after going through everything and taking things out of their packaging, because some of the things were new and because they were still in the packaging, it was taking up too much space inside the bin. So I made sure that I cleared that off and threw the stuff away. And that's pretty much all I did to the closet. I made sure that everything was organized. I got bins. I also got a little basket, which is from Homegoods. I will try my best to link everything down below, but I'm pretty sure I can't like link things from like TJ Maxx and Homegoods and stuff like that because they don't have like their own website, but I will try my best. And yeah, I just made sure that everything was organized and it wasn't all cluttered when you first open the doors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.
When everything goes wrong, I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away.